we are in the Lake District. We've just arrived for a 24-hour visit, but before we can book into our lodgings, we've come here to have a little sneaky look around Keswick. Follow us.
Follow me for some speciality shopping. A lovely little distillery. Anyone for a gin?
Not just shops, because it's got loads of busy bars and cafes. Check it out. And whilst that outdoor shop behind us is really spectacular and we've got a really good stock range, you don't believe what I've just seen. Let me spin you around. You're not going to believe this. It's a massive gorilla! Check that out! Here we are at Lake Derwent.
It's quite busy here, just here, as you just first come onto the lake. People enjoying the green space and a little beach by the side of the lake. You can go paddleboarding, canoeing, swimming, so much to do. Or if you want to get away from it, you can walk a little bit further around the other side where it's a lot more quieter. Come on, let's go check it out.
So you can walk around the entire length of Derwent Water. It's about a 10-mile stretch. It'll probably take you about 4 or 5 hours if you're enjoying it and taking in the views. Today we're just going to do a small section of it.
And typical of English weather, the heavens have absolutely opened, but we are not going to let that dampen our spirits. We are going to crack on. Singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again.
Singing in the rain.
So that is £5.65 altogether then, please, lovely. Thank you very much.
And here we are in a shelter with a fantastic view of the mountain. An amazing picnic. Came in at under
£6.
fantastic.
Robin, come to join us.
What do you think to that, Gilly?
It was delicious and great value. If you want a great value lunch in Keswick, Greg's it is.
Here we are at the Travelodge. Now we've just checked in and they gave us a room key each and our Wi-Fi password. 2 staff on checkout, both very professional.
Very professional.
One of them even remembered us. So now let's go and check out the room. Follow us. It is the middle of a heat wave and we've got a fan going, which is quite nice. We've got a big double bed, nice and firm.
Lots of space here.
Lots of space.
To dance.
You could actually, yeah, you could dance here or swing a cat. And then out the back, got more car parking spaces and a nice wooded area. Now I'm going to show you the bathroom. There we go. Spotless, nice and clean. Toilet rolls, not a blemish, not a mark. I've got over shower and a rail. What do you think, Gilly?
Just what you need. Perfect.
Kettle and complimentary tea. So before we checked into the Travelodge, we went a quick shop around the Aldi, Iceland and surrounding stores that they have in Penrith. So we've got some goodies, all we need for a budget stay in a Travelodge. We've got here some pot noodles, cost us £1. We'll eat them tonight, that'd be a nice treat. For the morning, we need an early start. We've got some porridge pots, 40p a piece. We've got water, because we're going to need to stay hydrated tomorrow. That cost us £2.50. We've got a loaf, that was £1. And we've got some sandwich fillers, about £1 each. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. About £11 worth of goods there, so good budget. Some other good features about Travelodge. Got a bottle opener. Even though there's a lot of space, you've got this, look at that, great spot. You can put your suitcase and your bags underneath the bed. So it's quite good at Travelodge. We were quite flexible about the dates, but we wanted the cheapest date possible, so we put in quite a few days range. Some days were coming out £80, some days were coming out £100. And how much we pay for this one, Julie?
55?
55, and we paid an extra
£3 for Wi-Fi.
£3 for Wi-Fi, that's 2 devices, so £58, perfect night stay, lovely and quiet. Very professional, very clean. And we'll be on our way in the morning. So it's day 2 in the Lake District. We had a lovely night's sleep in the Travelodge. We've just checked out. Checkout time is 12 o'clock, but we did an early start because we've got to get some Braithwaite. We've got some horseshoeing to do. Here we are at the Royal Oak in Braithwaite, and we're waiting for a Lake District expert to come along and show us how to do some horseshoeing. Must be a farm nearby with some horses, but I haven't seen it yet. So we've met the Lake District expert, and it turns out that horseshoeing has got nothing to do with horses. What's it to do with, Christine? Because my subscribers won't understand.
It's to do with the contours of the land and how beautiful it is.
And bagging as many rain rights as possible. So here we are, halfway up Grisdale Pike, first thing in the morning. Check it out. Here's time for Gate of the Week. And here's our resident Lake District expert,
Recommended from Christine.
Fantastic. So we're just learning about Burkitts. Now I never heard about Bill Burkitt before, but apparently Bill Burkitt is a chap that has 500 viewpoints or more around the Lake District, and we've just passed our first Burkitt. Is that right, Christine?
Fantastic. It's called Kin. 374 metres, was it?
Oh, okay.
Marvellous, first Burkitt. Bagged.
And it was just here, and what a cracking view it is as well, in both directions. So we're just looking across the horseshoe, and in the cloud we've got some of the fells that we're going to come up back on. Got Barrow over here. Wow, Causey Pike, high raise. Well, they're in the distance, aren't they? A little more? No, way in the distance.
Just a little bit
This
behind.
one here, right.
This one, so this one here will be Causey Pike.
Right.
And then in distance is High Raise Maiden Moor, and then be just hidden around the corner will be Cat Bells.
Currently on Sleet How, and
How?
very appropriate.
Very appropriate.
Bit fleeting.
Fleeting a little. Well, it's mist.
Yeah, it's not too
Low-lying
bad.
clouds.
Been very lucky here. The views are just opening up. We can actually see Scotland, and there's a saltway. I heard Grisdale Pike was steep, and it is steep. Woof!
How are you finding it, Nicholas?
Yeah, tough. Really tough. Nice though.
How are you doing, Christine?
Grand.
Our mountain leader.
At the back.
We're close to the top now.
At that point there.
It was me.
Yes.
What can you see, Nicholas?
The Irish Sea.
The Irish Sea. Way, way, way over here.
The summit of Grisdale Pike at 791 metres. Check it out.
Is it one down, 4 to go?
Yes. There's a first of how many, Christine?
Loads.
Loads.
And it's a Burkitt as well as a Wainwright.
Burkitt. Bagged.
Check it out.
Hope Gill Head is
Hope
the
Gill
pointy
Head
bit.
is the pointy bit.
That's it, yeah. But in between,
In
we've
between,
Hobcarton Head.
Hobcarton Head.
got Julie getting a picture of Hope Gill Head with a zooming lens.
Brilliant.
The top of Hobcarton Crag is 739 metres. Check it out.
And
It's a
Burkitt.
Burkitt.
Burkitt number 3. Bagged. Boop boop.
I've started it off. What were you biting there? You bite the end? No, not that end. There. You see there's a hole that opens, so you bite it to open the hole.
All right.
You don't need to tip it, you suck. Are you getting it? Yay!
Wow.
He's got watered. We finally worked out how to do the hydration pack.
That was hard work. That was really hard work.
And then you push it down to close it.
Oh no, it's too complicated.
No, it's not too
It's too complicated. I don't like
Stick
it.
with bottles.
This has got like a big snake chasing me.
What's that you can see up there, Nicholas? Grisdale Pike there.
Yes, guys, Grisdale Pike and Hobcarton Crag.
Hobcarton Crag. Why does that one not stick?
And we're heading to Hopegill Head.
That one just doesn't stick, that Hobcarton one. Hobgoblin. Hobgoblin, we'll call it.
Here we are at the top of Hopegill Head. 770 metres. Whoop whoop.
And what is it?
And it's a Wainwright.
And
A Burkitt.
we stopped for a well bit of deserved lunch, and now we're going to crack on. Stay tuned. On top of Sand Hill at 756 metres. It's not a Wainwright, but it's a Burkitt, and it's our fifth one. Check it out. Mountain leader Christine leading the way through this dense hill fog. Without her, we would undoubtedly be lost. Julie getting a photo of KESWICK. It's just come into view.
It's either round flatter or straight up steeper. We're going
Round flatter.
round flatter.
We've been walking in the mist for a while, and look at this!
I spy a tree.
Crag Hill! Kicked it ass at 838 metres. Check it out.
It's time for a twig dance. And what's the best salsa we could do? She used to be a salsa dancer. Yeah, shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. And it's also a Burkitt number 6, bagged.
So sorry, Craig. The top is intact, but alas, there's no flush bracket, my friend. Consulting, are we going the right way? Or are we going off a cliff? Deep descent off this one. We've got a brief respite in the hill fog, and just look at these incredible views in every direction. Very atmospheric. Fantastic. Christine checking out where we are.
Bowfell. Oh, that'd be more in the distance. I don't think we can really see Bowfell. It'd be further back.
Here we are at the summit of Sale at 773 metres. A Wainwright and also a Burkitt. Check it out. Fantastic views now in every direction. We've been very fortunate with the weather. Christine getting a shot of the zigzags. Shoelace malfunction in the purple heather. And whilst that view behind us of those mountains we've just done is absolutely amazing. You won't believe what I've just seen. You're not going to believe this. Let me spin you around. It's Derwent waterway in the distance. Check it out.
The top of outer side, 568 metres high. The last Wainwright complete, 5, the last Wainwright, number 5, but number 8 of the Burkitt. Smashed it.
Braithwaite, where we started our walk, just coming into view. Bassenthwaite appearing in the distance. Got Derwent water over here, and KESWICK in the far off distance. Apparently we've done all the rain rides, but we're still ascending. What's that all about? So behind us in the distance we can see Outer Side, which is the last rain ride we've done today. We descended all the way down. We've actually come all the way up here, and this is called Stile End, and I believe it's a Burkitt, it's not a rain ride. Final peak of the day, and we're about to ascend into Braithwaite. Oh, little town of Braithwaite, where we have parked the car. Will my legs get me that far? Will my legs get me that far? I hope so. Look at all those grey slate roofs. Absolutely amazing. Wow, what an amazing 24 hours in the Lake District.
Awesome.
Yeah, we had a great mooch around Keswick yesterday, and we had some fun down by Derwent Water. We stayed in a wonderful Travelodge, spotless. Can't fault it, really good. And today, we went horseshoeing.
It was amazing, so much
The
fun.
Coaldale Horseshoe.
And we met the lovely Christine M.
The mountain leader that took us through 5 rain rides. And
Fabulous.
Many,
Such
many,
an
many
inspiration.
Burkitts. And even introduced us to Berkey Burkitt.
Billy Burkitt.
Billy Burkitt. It's Billy Burkitt, of course.
We did 9 of them, wow.
9, wow, amazing. Okay, who'd have thought he'd have got so many Billy Burkitts in at the same time as doing 5 rain rides?
Awesome,
Check it out.
24 hours.
Boom.